Hi guys, this is Madness Nail Art, aka Caitlin. Today I don't have coffee, but I have Gatorade with me, so that's what's up. Gotta get those electrolytes, you know. Yeah. So I have a story time today, so it's kind of gonna be like a chat, I guess. Well, today I think I'm going to try my new. Oops. Oh, that wouldn't have been good. Okay. We're gonna try my new. Hold on, you guys. I gotta open it. Oh my gosh. I got my new Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. So, this is my first Juvia's Place palette. And it doesn't come with a mirror, but you know, that's okay. Also, that's really pretty, and I really like that and the pink. Yeah, so it's really freaking nice. I got it for $10, so that was cool. Okay, so I will do my whole base like off camera, and then I will come back just to do eyeshadow and to talk about things that went awry this week. So I will be right back, guys. So I am all base ready to go. So I already primed my eye too. And then here's a few different things I used today. So I used my NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat Powder Foundation and my Makeup Revolution setting powder in Ghost. And then today I used the number 7 Skin Illuminator because I wanted to look really dewy today. Oops, because it's like summer weather over here. And then I used the Yenza concealer. It's still coming out. Like, I don't know why it does that. But I also used the new Body Pina Colada Sugar Lip Polish. So I like that. You wash it off with water, kind of like a lip scrub. And you can also like eat the leftovers too. So I think it is edible. But it's kind of weird to eat lip polishes and lip scrubs. Although Jeffree makes them too. And then I used my butter bronzer today, and that's in the shade Sunkissed Glow. And then I used this Milani blush, if I can open it. There we go. Oops. It's a very pretty shade, and I really like it. And then today I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills loose highlighter powder in the shade Snowflake. And then today for my brows I used the Benefit Gimme Brow, and then I ran a spoolie through that. And then obviously I used my Milani eyeshadow primer. See, I really like Milani. Well, I realized I have a lot of NYX like face products too, so that's interesting. And then I used Blue Ice, which is from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild palette, and that's the shade right there. Alright, so kind of gonna play around today. Although, let me open the palette and see what I kind of plan to do. Because I see a lot of warm tones, but I also kind of want to play with the shimmers too. Or not the shimmers, the cool tones too. I think I might play with, well, let's do some warm tones. So, we got this orange right here, and that's, oh, I don't think they have shade names. So we got that orange, this yellow. That's a red, and then this pretty pink color. I swear I'm gonna do a video with my conspiracy palette. I've already played through with it a couple of times and tried to record those as videos, but they didn't make it up on YouTube because my iPad decided to not let me airdrop my videos to my computer so I can upload them because I didn't have enough storage. So yeah, that's my life. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with that yellow. Alright, so we're gonna dip into that. That looks really pretty, and this is BH Cosmetics number 9 brush. And we're gonna put this in my crease, so I'm gonna kind of look to the side because that's where my mirror is. And hi, my name is Caitlin if you don't know me or you're new to my channel. And it looks like this yellow is building up pretty well. I know that yellows can sometimes take a while to build up, but I think this is a pretty good formula so far. I mean, I can really see it. Okay, so next I'm gonna take this orange color right here, and I'm going to go in with that. I think this is my round crease brush, so I'm gonna take that orange on here. It's very pigmented too. And we're going to put that right over the yellow. Alright, that looks pretty good. We're going to take this blending brush. This is the BH Cosmetics number 8 blending brush. And we're going to dip into that yellow color on here. And we're going to blend this orange out on top with the yellow. We'll just want to go into swiping motions. I think that looks pretty good. Alright, so next I'm going to take that same, wait, what am I doing? Oh my gosh. Round crease brush, and I'm going to dip into this true red right here, a reddish color, kind of cherry red. Let's see how that looks. I think you gotta build that one up a bit. Alright. I think that looks okay. And then I'm gonna take this Farrah blending brush, and I'm going to blend those two colors together. Alright, I think we're doing okay. Alright, so going to dip into this shimmery pink shade right there. And then we will spray the brush, so spray it from a little bit away. And then we're going to put it on our lid. I'm going to see if maybe going in with my finger helps. Because it does look like a nice shimmer shade. There we go. Alright. I think that looks really pretty. Let me just get up here. Okay, perfect. And also in here. Alright, so. Wow, that's really pretty. Okay. I dig it. And then I think I'm gonna deepen up the outer corner with this purple. So let me find, we'll use this point brush. Okay, so let's dip into that. Alright, and then we're just going to kind of put that on our outer V. Alright, and then I'm gonna drag it out a little bit. And then what you can do is you can bring it up to your crease too. And then we'll take that same Farrah blending brush and we will blend that out a little bit. Alright. I think it looks pretty good. I really do like this palette. Juvia's Place is very good. See, I bought my best friend like a more kind of neutral tone palette for her birthday because she's a cheerleader and I thought that would be better for like games and competitions. And then I bought myself this one, which only has one neutral. But I like to play with these kinds of things, and I'm not in cheer anymore. So I am going to do my eyeliner and mascara off camera. And then I'm going to highlight under my brow bone with the same color, Blue Ice from the Anastasia Moonchild palette. And then probably going to pop on a lipstick and kind of tell you what I think. So I will be right back. Alright guys, so, oops, gotta grab my palette. This is what I think of the Zulu by Juvia's Place. So I think it's really pretty. You also could have used this brown in the inner corner instead of the purple that I used, but I like the purple. So first of all, this is the first shimmer I've tried, and I'm guessing the blue and green one are pretty similar to it, and I really like the formula. It's really smooth and creamy, and it's a really pretty color. It's kind of like a rose gold, and I think that the mattes did pretty well on this palette too. I mean, there are only 3 shimmers, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so that's 6 matte shades and then 3 shimmers. Yeah, so I think that it looked really good. Don't mind my eyeliner, I know they're different. You know, my eyeliner is like my eyebrows. They're not twins, they're distant cousins. Yeah, ooh, ow, that kind of hurt. So yeah, I kind of just went with like a simple look today. I also used my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Addis Ababa, and then I used the Tarte Sex Kitten eyeliner, and then I used the Benefit They're Real mascara, so you can see this one has a cute little kitty and stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow my socials down below. Alright, bye!